Hello friends, before watching this video, I request you to watch our previous videos about how to read engineering drawings part 1 to 6 so that you get an idea about this drawing, the titles of it, the notes and so on. Otherwise, I will have to repeat the same stories again, which I prefer to avoid. Also, request you to watch this learning video on your laptop if available. We will show every details for you to fabricate this object from this drawing. So let us start. Welcome back to Weldtech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. I am Vincent. Before you starting the job, study the drawing properly and thoroughly. Go through the titles and notes. Prepare the bill of material. Here we prepared the BOM in inches and converted into metric system as it mentioned in the notes. Check the thickness of the material you plan to mark and cut. Then proceed with cutting using oxyfuel cutting. We have completed 6 modules of this series, How to Read Engineering Drawings. Now let us go through a drawing and interpret various features of it, like dimensions of various parts, edge preparation according to the weld symbols, and so on. To make things easier for you, I bring the actual job assembled according to this drawing. Here it comes. We will see what are the dimensions and shapes of each part and what are the interpretation for the welding symbols given. Okay, all these welding symbols, whatever it is given here, and the part marks 1 to 1A to 1F. There are 6 parts of it. In this video, we will not be discussing how we find the dimensions because that's already discussed in our previous part of the series. Please go through it. We have drawn separate views, orthographic views, so that you can view it in details. Okay. Okay, so this is the job assembled according to this drawing. So let us go through the part marks and its dimensions as well as shape. Previews for your convenience, we have enlarged and drawn separately. Okay, all the welding symbols also is appearing here, and after that, so all the welding symbols are also there now. Now let us see the part marks. We will see 1A. 1A, what are the dimensions? What are the 1A is here in the actual job. So let us see the shape of it, the size of it. And so this is it, 6 inch by 8 inch with a edge preparation according to the welding symbol. We will be explaining the welding symbol after the completion of part marks, dimensions and shapes. Okay. So let us continue with the part mark dimensions. Now let us see the B, 1B. 1B is this one. Okay. In the drawing it is this. This is the 1B. Okay. And this is the 1B in the top view. And this is the 1B in the side view. Okay. And its shape is rectangular and there is no edge preparation required, and 6 inch is the length and 4 inch is the width. This is the 1B. Let us go to 1C. 1C is this. This is 1C. Means this one going below up to here. Okay, so this is 1C. In the drawing, it is in the actual job, this is the 1C. Okay, and its dimension is 4 inch. 4 inch is the width, the height from here, from bottom. It starts from the bottom down below up to here is the 4 inch, and from here this is 6 inch up to here. Okay, and here the edge preparation will be there on the other side. We will see the welding symbols later, and I will be explaining about it. Now let us see the 1D. Okay, 1D. 1D is this small portion. It is 6 inch and 2 inch is the size we can see here. Okay, in the front view itself the dimension is available. So let us see its shape. Yes, this is the 2 inch width and 6 inch length, and one side edge preparation, because here from the other side you have to weld it according to the welding symbol. It will be appearing, and I'll explain to you. Now let us see the 1E. 1E is this portion, this one here, this. So 1C dimension is 6 inch and 3 inch is the width. This one, this is the 1E. Okay, going below, even up to this level it will go. Okay, it is not visible because from here it is going down, it is not up to here it goes. It is not visible, and that's the reason here it is dotted line. Okay, one is this, and on one side the edge preparation will be there. Now let us see 1F. So in the drawing, in the front view, this is 1F. On top view, this is 1F. On side view, it is very clearly visible, the shape and dimensions. This is the 1F. On actual job, this is 1F. Okay, the welding details will be given later in the welding symbol. We will see that. Okay friends, that's all in this upload today. In our next video, we will show you the meaning of each welding symbols, the interpretation of the welding symbols in this drawing and its application in this job. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.